it's like relationship things.
Yeah, yeah. I think I can say that 90-100% of songs in Brazil is like about relationship.
Yeah, same in Indonesia. We
Okay.
love heartbreak song.
So,
We got hurt a lot.
okay, I can guess. So you like those things from Korea? What's the name? Dorama, K-pop.
K-pop.
You
Yeah,
like
yeah,
it?
right. Um, I was.
Not anymore.
Um, I didn't like it that much now, but yeah, I do like it a lot back then. When I
Okay.
was like in high school.
Okay, because I have some friends, girls, and they love that. They always talking about, oh, have you watched that